Welcome back to the sawmill. When I left yesterday afternoon, I was a little bit unhappy about this log and the way it was rocking. The problem was I used a dual blade on those first cuts. I changed it about 3 cuts in, but those first couple of cuts, that dual blade put a wave in the log. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this thing back off and flip it over, go ahead and get it squared up so we don't have any problems with that mantle piece. I want to show you guys something else before we get started. We talked a little bit about the diameter of log that this mill, this LT35 will cut. I want to talk with you for a minute about the length of log that this thing will cut. So Woodmizer advertises 21 feet, and it will cut 21 feet, but you have to set it up perfectly on the mill. Let me show you what I mean. So this black line right here is an indicator for where your blade is going to sit when the mill head is all the way in the back position. Now that is your starting mark right here. You run out this direction with your mill head, and this is your stopping point. Now you see how close it is to your outrigger. You see your blade right here. Now the problem is that point to the point we looked at earlier is 21 feet. So if you're going to cut a 21-foot log, you have got to set it on there perfectly. I found that really about 18 feet 6 inches is about all I want to try to cut, because that allows you to be able to set that log on there and have a little bit of room on either end to work with. So I'm gonna go grab the skid steer, yank this log off of here, flip it so that I can get it nice and square. Well, I just hit some metal. I'm curious as what it was, because normally if you hit a nail, it'll go on through it. But this particular piece stalled it out and wouldn't let it go any further, and actually took off the ends of all my teeth. So let's take a look. I'm gonna end up having to cut the end of it off with the chainsaw, because there's no way I can get the rest of it out. I can't push the saw head through. If you can see it, those teeth are supposed to be pointed and they are squared off. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nails. 6. And then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What on earth did they nail into this poplar tree when it was alive? Good gosh. I guess that explains. It just ate the teeth on my band to nothing all the way around. There you have it. 2 mantle pieces, and he even likes the idea of those nails in it because he wants it to be somewhat rustic. Too many controls. Put it on that stack right there. Uh-oh. There you go. Well, it'll pick a log up. Thank you for watching, and until we see you next time, keep it dusty.